Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can uninstall an app on Windows. So go to your settings. I've already done that, and I'm going to go to apps, then go to apps and features, where you're going to find all of your installed apps. You're just going to wait for the apps to load like this, and sort of find the app you want to uninstall. I want to uninstall Cyberlink UCam, so go ahead and press these three dots next to the app's name and press uninstall, and again press uninstall. And after that, you might need to wait for the app to as you can see, this will pop up. Press yes, and again just wait for it to sort of uninstall. Hold on, it's loading pretty. It's taking pretty long, that's what I meant. So you're just going to basically uninstall the app. I think that does it. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!